Hi, this is Eric Edelman with Century 21 Award Realty, and we are standing in front of 11096 Turret Drive here in Scripps Ranch. This is a 2,264 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, and we're really close to Hoyt Park right behind us here, and Lake Miramar is right around the corner. So let's go on inside and have a look. So this house was built in 1971. It's part of old Scripps Ranch, like all the other homes around here. We're really close to schools and lots of shopping very close by. So this is the main living area. This whole house has been remodeled with vinyl plank flooring, new paint, LED lighting, and all sorts of other updates. As you can see, it's very bright in here, lots of windows. All of the windows have been updated with new vinyl frame dual pane windows for energy efficiency. The kitchen and dining area are right in here, so let's go have a look. Like the rest of the house, this kitchen is very bright, even with the lights off. We have them on now so you can see that we've got brand new recessed LED lighting in here. New quartz counters, new cabinets, new appliances, and access to the backyard from this room as well. There's a formal dining room where folks can enjoy a formal meal or just sit at the breakfast bar for a casual breakfast or lunch. One of our favorite parts of this house is the fact that it has 2 full bathrooms and 2 bedrooms downstairs. One of the bedrooms is an ensuite bedroom, which could be used as a second primary bedroom. So that's right through here. So this bedroom has been remodeled with the same flooring as the rest of the house. You've got a walk-in closet over here and a full bathroom through there. And of course, like the rest of the downstairs, access to the backyard. The second downstairs bedroom and bathroom is right through here. The second bathroom is separate from this bedroom, so it can be used for downstairs guests as well. And the second downstairs bedroom is right through here. There are ceiling fans in every bedroom to help keep things cool in the summertime. The house also has a newer central AC and furnace system. So upstairs we have 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Right through here we have the upstairs primary bedroom with a double door entry, mirrored closet doors, and the same vinyl plank flooring that we have throughout the rest of the house. Like all the other bathrooms in the house, the primary bathroom has been updated with new cabinets, new countertops, new fixtures, and new tile shower surrounds. So right through here we have the other 2 upstairs bedrooms and upstairs guest bathroom. Just like the rest of the house, the dual pane windows allow for energy efficiency and plenty of natural light. So through this way we have the backyard. This is one of 3 backyard accesses from the downstairs. This backyard has an oversized covered patio that's great for entertaining and water-wise landscaping that'll save you money on water. Thanks for coming with us on this tour of 11096 Turret Drive. For more information or a private tour, send us a message or give us a call.